Disney raising its bid for Fox assets. Joining us right now is Ed Lee of the New York Times. Ed, this new deal of $38 a share, which tops their previous offer of $28 a share and Comcast bid of $35 a share in cash. What should we make of this?
Well, clearly, Bob Iger really wants this deal to happen. It's part of his legacy for sure. So this is a huge and bold move. The fact that he's come in higher than Comcast bid shows that. It also sort of indicates, because part of this is coming in cash, there is going to be sort of a tax liability on that portion. Murdoch had really liked his deal earlier because it was all stock. It would not have a tax implication right away. So he clearly had to come in higher. So it's a bid. We're off to the races. It's a bidding war.
It also means there's a tax implication for the stub, the new company, too, right? As soon as there's any cash that's put into that deal, that affects that as well?
Right. So for the assets that aren't being sold, which include like Fox News and Fox Broadcast, they will be spun off into a new co or a new Fox, which will now be taxed even in either transaction, whether it's a Comcast deal or a Fox deal. I've been told that it seems like some of the lawyers over at Fox are still trying to figure out a way to maybe sort of get some tax efficiencies even on the spinoff, even with the cash in either case. But that gets to be sort of, exotic. So it's more just the final number. Disney's coming in really hard on this. Now we're going to have to wait to see what Comcast comes back with. So, chances are they will come back, but we don't know how much.
And Ed, I don't buy it that Disney can offer less. You know what I mean? I don't buy it, but if Comcast were to do 40, would they argue that 38 is as good as 40 with that rationale? Do you think? I mean, does this have to be? Does Comcast have to go significantly higher now?
At this point, because we're already in the tax situation, I think it really just will come down to numbers.
No regulatory issues anymore. They were arguing it that it was going to take long. They had a lot of I never, like I said, I didn't buy it, but they had a lot of rationales that I heard put forward for a while, and just that Rupert, wanted to end up in bed with Disney more than Comcast as well. So
and that's all part of the merger calculus, and that's certainly an important thing to consider. It's not just about how much higher, what's more likely to pass government regulators. However, after the AT&T decision, which allowed it to buy Time Warner, experts say it could be a regulatory wash on either side. So now it really should just come down to numbers.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.